Mr. Balasubramanian, this is going to be a very interesting chat. We have the General Manager of Marketing at GAIL Gas Limited. Sir, there's a lot of buzz around CNG and we're here to discuss that on Red FM. My name is Disha. And if with your permission, I'd like to start asking you a few questions about CNG and its future. Sir, could you tell us about GAIL Gas Limited operations here in Bangalore?
GAIL Gas Limited operates the Bangalore City Gas Distribution Project. The main objective is to bring in cleaner energy. To our mind, this is a revolution in the IT capital because it truly brings in modernization. Because it brings in lifestyle changes. I think in Bangalore we are in for very fascinating times. We started in the year 2015 and within 5 years we have made inroads in both in CNG, compressed natural gas, as well as in piped natural gas. We are having right now 41 CNG stations. Out of that, 20 are in operation and remaining 20 will put in operation within a month's time. So that will be around about 41 plus 35 CNG stations we are planning for this year 2021. So by March 21, we should be having 76 CNG stations spread across Bangalore. In piped natural gas, we are supplying, we are connected to 150,000 households, and out of that 23,000 households are live connections, and we are supplying gas to industrial units, around about 94 industrial units including Biocon, Intel, Mother Dairy, and also we are supplying gas to commercial establishments, around about 105. Most of the restaurants in the HSR unit region, they're all getting gas from us. And we have laid 1,200 kilometers of MDPE pipeline and 150 kilometers of steel pipeline. Now we are going for a massive expansion the next few years. We have very ambitious plan, and therefore I think Bangalore is in for very interesting times as far as the energy is concerned.
Sir, the alarming levels of air pollution in a lot of big cities in India, including Bangalore. Bangalore was the garden city, but people are evidently seeing a lot of air pollution. When it comes to CNG as an alternate fuel in the automobile industry, how exactly can it help in a cleaner environment? If you can maybe get deeper into that and break it down for us, sir.
See, the issue is in the air pollution, significant amount, more than 50%, more than 50%. Of the pollution comes from vehicular pollution. And now this is leading to congestion, traffic jams, and what is happening is more fuel is being burnt. The only option is CNG. The only solution for this pollution is CNG. And CNG has got a significant advantage. It is a very, very superior fuel. It is a benign fuel. It is coming from Mother Nature as a virgin product, and it is a harmless fuel. It burns very efficiently. 84% less carbon dioxide, 58% less NOx, and huge 97% less particulate matter. And therefore, this is a very, very superior fuel, and octane number is 130 as compared to petrol and diesel, and that makes it a superior fuel as far as the thermal efficiency is concerned. And we have even this ignition temperature is 530. That makes it a very, very safe fuel. The inflammability range is also between 5% and 15%. And it's very difficult to adulterate. Absolutely no adulteration, and it is a very, very maintenance is also it's very good, and therefore it is a very, very superior fuel, and it is apt that it is to be used by Bangalore in a very big way. bringing down the pollution levels.
So, with specifically looking at Bangalore, why the necessity to move to CNG vehicles in Bangalore? There's a big push in this city. While I understand the larger picture of CNG and its benefits, with Bangalore in mind, if you can throw a little light on this.
In Bangalore, I was saying it is going for massive development, and the landscape is changing. This puts enormous pressure on the mother nature, enormous pressure. It has got a huge urban concerns, and pollution is one of the alarming concern. Now, CNG is socially and environmentally cleaner fuel, and therefore it makes sense that for a cleaner Bangalore, we going for CNG in a very big way.
What are the benefits of CNG in passenger vehicles? Because normally people associate CNG with public transportation. Coming down to passenger vehicles, individual use, what are the benefits of that, sir?
Passenger vehicle, it's a real boon. It's a real boon for passenger vehicle because the per kilometer operating cost, excluding the maintenance, ₹2.40, as against ₹4.80 for a diesel vehicle. Therefore, 48% savings in diesel, and ₹6 per kilometer for a petrol vehicle. Therefore, 60% savings as far as petrol is concerned. And even compared to auto LPG, ₹1 per kilometer is a savings, a huge savings. Apart from pollution, and you have ample savings, and therefore it is it's a God-sent fuel. Not only that, you have dual fuel system as well. Therefore, if you run out of fuel, you can always switch on to petrol. Therefore, for passenger, it's a real boon.
Sir, there are still a lot of people who have this tendency to be on the fence. Should I not? A bit ambiguous, a slight conundrum. What message would you like to give our listeners who are hoping and are open to the idea, but might be on the fence when it comes to CNG? Just an overall message to our listeners.
CNG is very good for the consumer because convenience, reliability, safety, and economical also. It is good for the environment because it's environmental fuel. You get cleaner air. Therefore, in my opinion, CNG is a game changer. And I request everyone to join hands with us, be part of the solution and not pollution, and promise cleaner mobility and bring the garden back to the city by adopting new age fuel, that is CNG. I think CNG is a way forward for a greener and cleaner Bangalore.
I think every Bangalorean will resonate with that, sir. We miss the Garden City reputation, we miss the green cover, and hopefully we'll be able to bring that back again, sir.
Bangalore is in for interesting and very fascinating times as far as energy is concerned. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for speaking with us. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Red FM 93.5